Have you ever found yourself staring at your render output and pondering over its lack of photorealism? Have you ever wanted to get into architectural visualization but found it to be a little tough? Do you have the basic knowledge of 3ds Max and don't know where to go next? Have you searched to get a course that takes you right from modeling to a photorealistic scene rendering? Well, then you're in the right place. Plus, you get an added bonus. We do 2 projects in this course right from scratch, second one being the bonus. So you not only learn new skills, new workflow, new way of looking at lighting, but also revise your skills simultaneously in the same course. How great is that? But wait, I also tell you how to do some basic post-processing after rendering out of your scenes to get the final kick. You might be thinking that's all for this course, right? But no, we have more. We not only use 3ds Max Photoshop, as the title suggests, we jump into vray and Marvelous Designer. Vray we use for texturing, lighting and rendering, 3ds Max for modeling obviously, Marvelous Designer to make cloth elements. Marvelous Designer is a software for cloth only. 3ds Max also does the cloth work, but if you have a knife to cut your vegetable while you use a scissor, right? Okay. So lastly, you get the models free for usage. The references used in the course were picked up from Google Images, so the designs are not mine, but the models are. Now that's all for this course. Too much, right? And who am I? My name is Anchit Kawatra. I am a founder of CGDeltAcademy, which is an upcoming database of 3D related courses, and an Autodesk certified 3ds Max professional. And I am going to be your instructor for this course. At the time of recording this course, I am loading up scene 1 into the course. Scene 2 will be put up as a bonus section and will be gradually added in the next 2 weeks. Now, what do you need for this course? PC capable of running 3ds Max, 3ds Max, Marvelous Designer, Photoshop and vray softwares. Except for vray, I think all of the others have trial versions. And obviously access to internet, as we'll be searching for textures and I will provide you with link. Next. What are the prerequisites in terms of knowledge for this course? You should be familiar with the basics of 3ds Max interface, some basic modeling and texturing. If you're a complete beginner, I recommend that you go through my course named 3ds Max Learn Basics Foundation course from my instructor page. It's a free course. It'll get you up to speed. You should be familiar with vray and Photoshop. For Marvelous Designer, we go step by step in the software itself, so you don't need a background with it. So in short, it's a kind of an intermediate level course. Nonetheless, I'm always here. You can send me your messages asking doubts if any, and we will gather mountains to clear it. Lastly, what will you gain at the end of this course? You have 2 added scenes to your portfolio. As mentioned, you get to learn and practice via the 2 scenes in the same course. You learn to make your own vray materials. You understand 3D lighting. You learn to set renders for faster rendering. You learn to make your own textures in Photoshop. Learn Marvelous Designer a little bit so that you can make realistic cloth models. You learn how to get realistic renders. You also learn how to work with render elements section and a lot more. I'll be launching a ton of such quality rich courses in future. So what are you waiting for? Click on the buy now button and gift yourself the pure learning experience and a chance to succeed. See you soon.